Good day everyone, welcome back once again to our demonstration on the Pathfinder game. And in this demo presentation, we'll be showing you our progress, such as the optimization on how the game runs, the beautiful sceneries or backgrounds that Clark made. We'll be also seeing the speech-to-text style of the game, and of course, we will see how the game runs in the VR itself. So without further ado, sit back, relax, and enjoy our video demo presentation.
I've decided not to include the big thing that Clark modeled just yet because it has not been optimized for VR. But the this entire thing is and can be ran smoothly into VR. So actually also initially the cards inside of the deck manager are stored inside of here. Like they are not really dynamically inside of the project file. Instead, they're in the hierarchy. Like the cards were read inside of the hierarchy, so they had to be somewhere inside of this inside of the scene, which takes away a lot of resources. So we decided, or like we've just sort of sorted that out and added the cards inside of the resources folder, which is inside of here, card prefab. So as you can see, the cards are now here. We don't we've sort of just duplicated the first 10 cards for now, just to see. And like if we hit on play and we sort of try it, and the cards go out, as you can see, the cards go out normally and they'd be stored inside. It's pretty nice, and it's out of this folder. It's not stored anywhere inside of the hierarchy. It's literally just out of the resources folder. There's some programming inside of that, and yeah, as you can see, it's basically sort of just the same thing. And you could even shuffle normally. Like the only difference is where it's stored, basically, and we sort of dealt with that. So just a little bit of a rundown. So we've decided to focus on optimization and being able to run the game on VR smoothly this week. As you can see, this is where we've added a few things, right? And so we've decided to add the speech to text that we are supposed to have, and the player could enable and disable at any time whenever they have to like ask a question and stuff like that. So as you can see, we've decided to add like the app dictation experience, and there are a bunch of scripts attached to this. And we also have the canvas. So this is not the final look of the canvas. Clark will be modeling like sort of a UI replacement for this. This is sort of just a placeholder. In the meantime, there's a voice text button. Whenever you click on this, it like changes text, and then as there's like a red beeping thing here. So as soon as it's clicked, the red circle would sort of just be beeping. And there's a bunch of there's also a bunch of scripts put inside of this, and yeah.
So there you have it, that Sharon explained the codes and the mechanics and the functionalities that the Unity engine that has in the game. We will now see the game runs in VR itself. We will also see how the speech to text will come into the game and more. So without further ado, let's jump right into it.
Before we begin, let's define a question to which you wish to find an answer and note it down. Click Next when ready.
Unfortunately, the recordings didn't capture Jaren's voice, but in this part, Jaren activated the speech to text, which he said hello there, and it also printed in the UI itself.
Great. Let's choose the card which reflects your current situation. Now, let's choose a card that demonstrates your desired state. Now, let's determine your biggest obstacle. The next card will show you possible solutions you may undertake. Almost there. Let's choose a card that will show you the resources and strengths you have.
So there you have it, the video presentation part, and for this final part, Clark will now show us the sceneries or the backgrounds that he had made.
So slight improvement for the visual. I made the environment in 3D in Blender and I exported it as an image. So this is what it looks like in panoramic view, and this is what it looks like in game with some slight color adjustments.